Hi, I'm Dave from Slingr, a low-code solutions company. I'm here to talk to you about artificial intelligence. AI is the conversation driving the urgent need to get your technical act together. But when you hear the word AI, are you picturing intelligent chatbots that charm your clients more than your sales team? Or are you breaking into a cold sweat when you see words like, or what's worse, how do you overcome the crushing realization that your out-of-the-box tech stack wasn't created to handle AI? Now with Slingr Low Code, our motto is, let's make something work, not complicated. We help companies identify practical opportunities to help leverage AI, choose appropriate tools, and finally, execute and adapt. By rapidly integrating AI tools, developing new workflows, and iterating AI-infused functionality, Slingr helps you move past the consultants and conferences so you can achieve real-world results. The time for the AI conversation is now, and we're here for you every step of the way. Click the link below to connect. Slingr, let's build something great together.